Hello friends. In the first part of the series, you watched how can you create the rectangular, polygon and other shapes. In this video, you will watch how can you make collage with the help of these shapes. You can use any shape to make collage, but in this video, I am creating collage with the help of the rectangle shapes. Let's start. I have already opened the document with the black background. Selecting the rectangle tool from the tool panel, you can also activate the shape tool by using U key. As I draw the rectangle on the document, you will see a new smart object layer will be created. A small object is a Photoshop layer that contains all the same image information of a normal layer, but a smart object layer will allow you to perform non-destructive edits. So you can resize the image as often as you want without causing any degradation. I am duplicating the rectangle by holding Alt key in the Windows or Option key in the Mac and drag to the another place. By doing so, the another smart object layer will be created. I am not choosing combining shape option because I need individual layer of the each box. Why it need you will know later. If you want to know more about the combined layers, you need to watch the first part of the shape series. I have already created a card above and also added the link in the description. After that, I am duplicating the same more times. At present, I have a 6 rectangle. So we have total 6 shapes layer. Now I am selecting the all shapes layers and grouping them by using Ctrl plus G in the Windows or Command plus G in the Mac. I am hiding the group by clicking on the eye icon so you can see the new layers those I am going to create. By hiding the group, all layers will be hide those was grouped. Again I am selecting the shape tool by typing U and drawing a larger rectangle on the document. After that I am duplicating the same by holding Alt key in the Windows or Option key in the Mac and drag to the another place. Now I have two big shapes. I am unhide the 6 shapes group by clicking on the eye icon again. We have total 8 shapes. 6 are small shapes and 2 shapes are larger than the shape used in the group. I am moving all shapes into the one group that I have already created, so all the 8 shapes are in one group. To save time, I am showing you a collage that I have already created by arranging the all 8 shapes. You can also arrange them according to your requirement. In this document, you can see I have arranged 6 small shapes on the side of the 2 big shapes. Now I will show how can we use these shapes in two different ways. In the first method, you will see how can we give custom shape to our image. In the second method, you will see how can we add 8 different images in the 8 shapes as a collage. I am adding a picture of a woman on the top of the group of the 8 shapes and selecting the image layer and using the shortcut Ctrl plus Alt plus G in the Windows or Command plus Option plus G in the Mac. You can also hover your mouse between the two top layers in the layer panel. When a downward arrow appears, click to apply the mask. The clipping mask in the Photoshop can be useful to understand when you come to creating composite of your images, making a photograph appear as a through it is in a picture frame. In the second method, we need to unclip the image that you composited in the shape. So I am selecting an image layer and placing the top of the first shape layer in the layer panel and clipping it by using the shortcut Ctrl plus Alt plus G in the Windows or Command plus Option plus G in the Mac. In this way, I am selecting another image from my local folder and dragging to the top of the second shape layer and repeating the same shortcut that I have used for the first image to use clipping mask. The image is bigger than the shape. To fit in the shape, I am using Ctrl plus T in the Windows or Command plus T in the Mac to transform or adjust the image. In the same way, I am adding 4 more images in the small shapes and 2 more images in the larger shape layers by dragging to the top layer of the desired shape and then clipping them by using the shortcut Ctrl plus Alt plus G in the Windows and Command plus Option plus G in the Mac. To fit each image in the shape frame, you need to activate the transform option by using Ctrl plus T in the Windows or Command plus T in the Mac. the all images are added in the Smart Object layers. By doing so, you can change any of the image just clicking on the Smart Object icon. As you click on the Smart Object icon, a new document will be opened in a PSB format, and you need to add a new image here and save it by using Ctrl+S in Windows or Command+S in the Mac. By saving this document, your collage will be updated automatically. I have already created the template of the collage. You can download it from the link that I have already added in the description. You need to click on the Smart Object icon of the each image, and you can add new image in the new document and just need to save the new document and collage will be updated. I have created another solid color adjustment layer at the bottom of the shape layers as a background. Now you can change any color as a background with the color adjustment bar. You can also add any texture or pattern in the background. So it is up to you. That's all for today. Soon I will come with the new part of this series. Till then, I will wait your valuable suggestions and feedback. Thanks for watching.